Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to multiply decimal numbers. Before we begin, can you recall how to multiply large numbers? What is 345 times 21? Pause and discuss with your friends. First, we multiply by the ones. 345 times 1 is equal to 345. Then, we multiply by the tens. Since we're multiplying by tens, we add a placeholder 0 in the ones place. 345 times 2 is equal to 690. Finally, we add both numbers. 345 plus 6,900 is equal to 7,245. So, 345 times 21 is equal to 7,245. Did you get it right? Now that we know 345 times 21, what is 34.5 times 21? To multiply decimals, we can multiply the numbers in the same way without decimals. Then, we count the number of decimal places in the numbers we have multiplied. There is one decimal place in 34.5. So, we move one decimal place in our answer. 34.5 times 21 is equal to 724.5. Next, can we find 3.45 times 21? Now, there are two decimal places. So we move the answer two decimal places to the left. 3.45 times 21 is equal to 72.45. Next, can we multiply two decimal numbers by finding 3.45 times 2.1? There are two decimal places in 3.45. There is one decimal place in 2.1. We add them together to find the total number of decimal places in our answer. 2 decimal places plus 1 decimal place equals 3 decimal places. We should have 3 decimal places in our answer. So, 3.45 times 2.1 is equal to 7.245. Today we have learned how to multiply decimal numbers. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.